Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Lenovo, then remove any external battery. This removes power risk. Once done, ground yourself to prevent static damage and gather a Phillips #0 or #00 and a plastic spudger. Make sure to wait 30 to 60 seconds so capacitors discharge. Now remove the back panel screws methodically, keeping them organized by location, and gently pry the panel off, watching for ribbon cables and foam pads so nothing tears when exposed. With the chassis open, locate whether your Lenovo uses an M2 module or a 2.5-inch SATA drive. This determines the removal steps. For M2, loosen the single standoff screw and lift the module gently at about a 30-degree angle to slide it free. For a 2.5-inch drive, unplug the SATA cable or remove the caddy screws and slide the drive out. Handle the SSD by the edges to protect contacts, and place the old drive in an anti-static bag. Now install the new SSD by reversing removal steps. Slide an M2 into the slot at 30 degrees, press down and fasten the standoff screw or seat a 2.5-inch drive in its bracket and reconnect the SATA cable. Once secured, replace the back panel and screws, reconnect any battery, and power on. Enter BIOS to confirm the drive is recognized and set boot order. If it fails to appear, reseat the drive and connectors. Verify BIOS ASI versus RAID mode, and update firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.